Hey guys, welcome back to the Piktochart channel. I'm Seth and today I'm going to show you how to use the image modifier in Piktochart. Okay, so to use the image modifier, you just hit the image modifier and you drag and drop an image. So I have downloaded here an image of my cat. So within the image modifier, you have a few options to work with. You can add in reference images which are not needed today, but you can also pick between quite a few different AI models. So for a start, let's try using Nano Banana Pro and just instruct as you would. So remove the wall socket behind the cat, remove the air purifier, remove the CCTV, change the mat he is on to a magic carpet, put a wizard head on the little guy and a tobacco pipe from his mouth, and make sure a spotlight is shining down on him. So let's try this out with Nano Banana Pro. Oh my god. Bro, what do you mean? And it works, guys. It works exactly as intended. Okay, let's go back to before. And let's try the exact same prompt out with GPT Image 2. So keep original aspect ratio and modify again. Oh, here we have it. Okay, GPT Image 2 does I would say a better job. I would say this is a better job compared to the previous one. I like this more. It's a little more detailed. The background still looks real. And it's freaking cute. Hold on. Look at that. What do you think?
What do you think of yourself looking like that?
Should he be Piktochart's company mascot? Let me know what you guys think. And that's how the image modifier on Piktochart works. All you have to do is put in your image and speak your instructions. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!